Hi guys, today we finally have a hair tutorial, and today is about what do you do when you're super late, you're from work and you have to go to a dinner and you want to look sexy. So I'm running late again and I'm just gonna undo my hair, brush my hair really well and start with my bangs. I'm gonna wet it with this moisturizing spray. The technique about my bangs is to give like a 70 feel to it and not an 80 style. And then I'm gonna grab my blow dry, grab the first layer of my bangs and brush it with a round brush, but I don't want to brush it too much. When you over brush it, then you're gonna look like super bang style, which I really don't like. And I'm gonna do the same on the lower layer, and then I'm gonna grab all of the layers together and I'm gonna do the same again. One thing that is super important is to brush the outside on the opposite way with the brush. This is gonna give the 70s style for your bangs. So it's very, very, very important. And then I'm gonna grab the texture spray. I'm gonna put it in between of the layers of my hair. And then I'm gonna pinch my hair like this and wait for it to cool. I call this a pinch volume, and this is really gonna give the style of my bangs that I'm always having. Now I'm gonna wet my hair with this spray. It's a moisturizing spray. I love it because it's gonna be good for my hair and also it's gonna help me shape it, and it smells so delicious. So it's the first step to give a shape. You need to wet your hair so the hair can like really shape onto what you're doing. So I'm gonna do this braid. I'm gonna not think about how it looks like. I just want to make sure I'm grabbing all my hair. That's why I'm starting really high to make sure like it's locked into the shape of the braid. Don't tie it too much because you don't want it to look like overshaped, but I like to have this sort of technique that is not requiring any iron or anything beside your blow dryer a little bit, because then it's going to keep your hair more healthy. Try to avoid to use iron all the time. I do love when it's styled, when my hair is styled with iron like Laurent's French waves, but I don't do it every day for sure. So I'm always into these grandma recipes for hair that you can do yourself at home quickly in a few minutes to keep your hair healthy. So now I'm almost done. One thing is to keep the braid pretty loose so it's not going to look too tight, and I'm going to loosen it up a little bit so I'm really sure it has a natural wave of shape and not like a super frizzy one. And I'm going to set up my blow dryer on the lowest power and I'm just going to warm my hair up so I'm sure the shape is going to lock onto my hair. Now I have a few minutes to change, do my makeup. Tonight is about having dinner with my lover, so I want to feel effortless but still sexy. I'm just gonna add a bit of red lipstick. I had concealer, blush, eye pencil and mascara this morning, so I'm not gonna add anything else. I'm just gonna work with this beautiful color that is sort of a brown red, make a beautiful shape, an intense color, but then to make it more effortless, I'm gonna just blend the outside, the edges, so it looks softer. It's very important for me, especially if I want to seduce my man to be, not trying too hard. That's something I have trouble with. I really want to look more easy, I would say. So now I'm gonna loosen my braid and I'm gonna break this shape. So basically the braid is giving me a base to style my hair. Now I'm gonna make sure it doesn't look like I just had braids. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, but using my hand to kind of like help them being more straight or less rigid or shaped. And then I'm gonna add texture to it to make it a bit more healthy, shiny and shaped. So this shine is gorgeous, I love it. I'm gonna use a little bit on my hand and then I'm gonna caress my hair with it to make sure all the shine is getting absorbed. And I like it because it kind of gives a shape to my hair and at the same time it gives this very healthy texture to it. So I'm making sure I go pretty high, but not on the scalp of course, but just so overall the texture looks the same. And you'll see it doesn't look too done. I love that my hair looks messy, like I just woke up, but better, So now I'm just gonna make sure it looks like me and not too messy, but at the same time way not too done for sure. Sometimes I spray a little bit more to give back my natural curl. I don't think I have a curl, but I have a wave for sure. And yeah, that's it. Everything about my hair is to look like I've done it myself. It's very important that it's not looking like I tried too hard. I want to feel sexy, I want to feel like me, and I want to feel like this is not artificial. So I love to have this healthy technique that are good for your hair and good for your look.